Hi, I'm Rasheed Philips. I'm a pit master, and we're here at the Beef is What's for Dinner Culinary Center. I'm going to teach you some amazing tips and tricks to help elevate your beef. Today we're going to make some wonderful beef kebab. And the great thing about a kebab, you can put anything on it. What to look for? We want some nice interwoven fat. This fat's where the flavor is. And to season very lightly as always, start with our salt, front and back. Get some of our pepper on there. So as I'm looking at this, I can see that it sort of starts high and tapers off. So I'm gonna find roughly just before it starts to taper, one smooth cut. I can choose my sizing from there. You can even have all meat kebabs. Don't feel bad about it, don't feel judged, don't let them judge you. It's okay to have an all meat kebab, it's still a kebab. The safest way, if it's your very, very first time and you're handling these points and some of them may be very sharp, go down, put a little pressure, pull your meat up, push through, and know you won't poke yourself. Making sure you can see everything you're doing. Safety first in the kitchen. Don't want them all fully squished like this. A little separation goes a long way for the cook. So you want to repeat these steps over and over until you've used all of your ingredients. For more amazing and delicious tips and tricks, visit beefiswhatsfordinner.com.